इंडियन एअरफोर्सांत गोंयचे तरुण वचचे ह्या दृश्टीन एक थोडो प्रिलिमिनरी प्रयत्न हो तुमच्या माध्यमांतसून. गोंयचो पुत्र भूमिपुत्र देशाचो रक्षा मंत्री आसा. मागीर मदल्या काळांत फाटल्या 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं डिफेन्स एक्सपो गोंयांत जालें आनी तातूंत बऱ्या पैकी गोंयकारांनी इंट्रस्ट घेतलो. कॉलेज स्टुडंट्सूय मोठ्या प्रमाणार गेले. आज आमी डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशन, डायरेक्टर हायर एज्युकेशन, मागीर प्रिंसिपल फोरम, मागीर आमचे सेक्रेटरीज, इन्फॉर्मेशन पब्लिसिटी, कलेक्टर्स अशा कडेन आज एक मिटींग जाली. एअरफोर्स रिक्रुटमेंट ड्रायव्ह हाच्या संदर्भात ही हॅज प्लॅन्ड 2 ड्रायव्स, वन ऑन 3rd जून 3 जुनाक आणि 6 जुनाक. 3 जुनाचो हो स्पेसिफिकली म्युजिशियन्साक आसा आणि बाकी सगळो क्लेरिकल, अकाउंटंट अशा पोस्टां खातीर हो 6 जुनाक आसा. एअरफोर्स रिक्रुटमेंट ड्रायव्ह वी आर प्लॅनिंग ऑन 3rd and 6th. ताका खूब जाणांनी येवन प्रयत्न करचो तरुणांनी. हे सगळें इन्सिडंटली इट इज फॉर बॉयज ओन्ली. ते 12वी जाल्या नंतर अशें आसा. 12वी आर्ट्स, सायन्स, कॉमर्स, वोकेशनल सगळ्या प्रकारचे चलतात. मिनिमम 12 आसा एक्सेप्ट फॉर म्युजिशियन्स.
द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा फॉर स्टेपिंग फॉरवर्ड इन एक्सप्लोरिंग more avenues of employment for the youth of Goa, and in particular I'll convey my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Lakshmikant sir, for his vision for a prosperous Goa, for which he has requested Indian Air Force to seek some opportunities for the youth of Goa, for which I have come. We have discussed and we have drafted a proposal, and he was also concerned about the boys who drop out of the school after passing 10th. So considering that, a special case was also taken up with Indian Air Force for such boys which could be enrolled into the Indian Air Force as a musician, because for musician we require 10th pass with minimum marks. So that was also fortunately accepted by Indian Air Force, and now we are planning to have 2 recruitment drives for the state of Goa. The first drive is on 3rd of June at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Morning 6 o'clock will be there. 7 o'clock will open up the gate for the boys, for which the education qualification is barely 10th pass with any percentage of marks.